Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix OBS Virtual Camera not working. Let's get started. First, open OBS Studio. In the source panel, click the plus icon, then select Video Capture Device. Then name it if you'd like, then click OK. In the pop-up window under Device, select your actual camera. If you're using an external webcam, it should appear here automatically once connected. If the screen stays black, make sure the lens isn't covered. You haven't disabled the camera in system settings. Once it displays your camera feed, click OK. In the main OBS toolbar, click Start Virtual Camera. Make sure any platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and etc. you're using has OBS Virtual Camera selected as the webcam source. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.